how to log in to SafePal Wallet account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pinbasnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily log in to SafePal Wallet account. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through what you can do in order to log into SafePal, whether you are on your device, on your mobile, or you want to do it on your browser on PC. What you can do is simply head into browser and head into safepal.com. Now here you can see I'm on safepal.com. So what you can do is once you're here, you can simply tap on the little download icon that you'll find at the right hand side at the top of the screen. Once you tap on it, as you can see, you'll get these options here. What you can do is, if you want to download it for App Store, you can download it. If you want to download it for Google Play, you can download it, or you can directly download it from the web if you do not get it on your Play Store. Once you download it, you can simply open it up, and on the login page you can enter in your credentials and log in, right? Similarly, if you want to head into browser, you can tap on browser and you can see you can install it for your Chrome or your Firefox or for Edge, and you can go ahead and use it up there. So you can see download option there as well. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.